Hi there. So today I wanted to talk a bit about messenger bots. So you can use these on both Facebook pages, websites and other types of pages. Basically anywhere where you can add JavaScript code. So in this case it's a Facebook page, and in this case it's a dental surgery, but you can use this for any type of business. But basically what messenger bots do is it's just a bit of software that just makes the website seem a bit more friendly and interactive, and sort of simulates a little bit the idea of speaking to a real person, a bit like Siri does on an iPhone, or Alexa does on these sort of automated Amazon speakers. So although these sort of messenger bots that we use aren't intelligent really, but they just give a sort of question and answer type thing to help lead people through the funnel and create engagement and create a sort of feeling of connection. So what we normally recommend is to give people some sort of special offer, particularly with some sort of scarcity. So in this case, we're offering or the client is offering a free teeth whitening package. And to enter this competition, they just have to type the words "I want" in the comments below. So as soon as they do that, what happens is a box pops up. There it is. So this is all automated. So the text is uses your receptionist's name, so it's like your receptionist is talking to them. Now probably most people won't actually think it's a real person, but it still creates some sort of feeling of connection, and they still want to follow the instructions in the message. So this message just talks a bit about the competition, and it needs a sort of micro commitment from them to get to the next stage. So it asks them to type the word yes. So they've already typed a comment on there. Then you're asking them to type the word yes here. Now this is a typical way to lead people through a funnel. So once they type yes, you then give them a bit more information about the competition, about when the prize draw is going to be made, and how we're going to notify the participants. In this case, we notify them by asking for their email address. So it asks the person for their email address, which they then type in. Now this is really very important, because it means that then you can just carry on emailing them. We recommend emailing once a month with the useful, educational, interesting newsletter, tips about oral hygiene, for example, and we can set that up for you if you don't do it already. So anyway, I put their email address in, and that also of course gives you permission to email them. And then what happens when you do the prize draw is you send them an email. If they win it, great. If they don't win the prize, then what we recommend is just give them some sort of freebie, like a coupon for a discount, or it could be a free home teeth whitening kit that they can come to the dental practice and pick up. So this just creates a bit more interaction with them, and also gives them a nice warm feeling that at least they've got something, and everyone likes getting freebies. So just creates a nice warm feeling of connection, and then you'll be emailing them once a month, and then hopefully at some point in the future they will decide to come to you and become one of your patients. So the advantage of this is that it works 24/7, and you can put whatever you like into the messages. And if you've got any questions about it, or if you want any help setting it up, just get in touch. That's all for now. Speak soon. Bye.